In this video, we will provide information related to monetary policy and its framework. So let's start. The Reserve Bank of India (RBI) is vested with the responsibility of conducting monetary policy. This responsibility is explicitly mandated under the Reserve Bank of India Act 1934. Monetary policy refers to the use of monetary instruments under the control of the central bank to regulate magnitudes such as interest rates, money supply and availability of credit with a view to achieving the ultimate objective of economic policy while keeping in mind the objective of growth specified in the act. The framework aims at setting the policy repo rate based on an assessment of the current and evolving macroeconomic situation and modulation of liquidity conditions to anchor money market rates at or around the repo rate. As per the provisions of the RBI Act, out of the 6 members of the Monetary Policy Committee, 3 members will be from the RBI and the other 3 members of MPC will be appointed by the central government. The Governor of the Reserve Bank of India is the chairperson ex officio of the committee. The committee was created in 2016 to bring transparency and accountability in fixing India's monetary policy. Instruments of monetary policy. There are several direct and indirect instruments that are used for implementing monetary policy, but main instrument of monetary policy is below. First, cash reserve ratio (CRR). Second, statutory liquidity ratio (SLR). Third, bank rate. Fourth, repo rate. Fifth, reverse repo rate. And sixth, open market operations. What? Monetary policy good or not? So answer is monetary policy can offset a downturn because lower interest rates reduce consumers' cost of borrowing to buy big ticket items such as cars or houses. For firms, monetary policy can also reduce the cost of investment. I hope you got all information related monetary policy. So like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Commerce Index. Thank you.